I'm Donna Emery from Glover Nursery in West Jordan, Utah. Today we're going to learn about saving rainwater for use in your garden. You can collect rainwater for use in your garden. The easiest way is with a rain barrel like this one. It can attach to your downspout. It has a filter to keep leaves and debris and bugs out, and it has an outlet at the bottom to attach a hose to, or to fill up a watering can. If you're in an area of high rainfall, you will collect quite a bit, but even here in the arid West, it's still worth doing to supplement your water irrigation program. This rain barrel has a filter which pops out for cleaning. It's important to have a filter to keep leaves and debris and bugs out. You don't want to offer any opportunity for mosquitoes to breed in standing water, so keep it covered. If you don't have a rain barrel, you can position a trash can underneath your downspouts. Just make sure you put some window screening or something over the top of it to avoid breeding mosquitoes and collecting debris. I'm Donna Emery from Glover Nursery in West Jordan, Utah. We've just learned how to save rainwater to use in your garden.